Today I am putting together white bread, and I figured I would just pop on and go over it real quick with you. I've already got all the ingredients set aside, but I am using a bread maker to make my bread. You can call me a cheater if you want to call me a cheater, but this is the best white bread I've ever had. So, you know what they say, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So here we are. I'm making bread in my bread machine. The key to this is to put everything in order that the recipe calls for, okay? So I already started my water to get it nice and hot. It should be about between 80 and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. So we are going to add 1 cup of water, hot water, right into here, into this lovely contraption. All right, then we're going to pop in our butter. And that is butter. It is not margarine. It is butter. And then goes in our dry milk powder. Now look, I had everything all set out. Here it is. Okay, we're gonna add the, sprinkle it in all over. We're gonna add the dry milk powder. I do use organic dry milk powder. Most of my ingredients that you see here are organic. The sugar's not organic. The yeast is not organic. The salt is not organic. Everything else is organic. Okay, so we added the dry milk powder. Now we're going to add our sugar. Like I said, oh, it looks so professional, but it's easy to put in, okay? And then goes our salt. And by the way, I do use salted butter as well. All right, next we're going to add in our flour that I already have measured out. Plop. And then goes in our yeast, which I already have measured out. And I do like to sprinkle things around. I don't like to just dump it in. And you know what? That is it. I'm going to take this, put it in my bread machine. You see my bread machine right there? It's open and waiting and ready for me. I'm going to take it, put it in there, and let it do its thing. And later on today, I am going to have some fresh, chemical-free white bread.